Hello, best ever toy TV here. So since it is a weekend and I'm feeling good, we'll be doing two diecast episodes tonight. So this is the first part of it, and check this one out. We will take a look at this beautiful Tomica Lamborghini Diablo SV. This is the premium version. Now Tomica has the mainline version. The mainline cars, they have the premium and they have the TLVN, or the Tomica Limited Vintage. So this is the premium version, priced at, so this is close to 400 pesos, so around $8 for you guys in the US. So I hope they will be bringing the premium cars to the US for you guys to be able to enjoy it. Oops. Yeah, these premium cars have better quality, better build, better rims than the mainline. Check this one out. Check out the 3D sticker here. Automobili Lamborghini. Very cool. 1/62 scale model of the Lamborghini Diablo SV. So the new premium from Tomica. The box is black. Previously it was, what color was it? I forgot. Black and red, something like that. So here it is. Let us open. Hopefully this will be good. Whoa! Check this one out, guys. Check out the car here. The yellow Lamborghini Diablo SV. Wow. So the spoiler here is die-cast metal, which is really good. Whew! I thought it was plastic. I hate it when they use plastic spoilers, because sometimes it just gets bent. This time they use die-cast metal. Check out the back here. Good details. So detailed. They painted the tail lights. Check out the grill here. Yeah. Good details on the molding. There, two at the back. Ooh, does this open? No. So the engine bay doesn't open. Check out the details in the interior, and check out this door here. Wow, pretty amazing. Pretty amazing car. Interior, let's see. It's hard to adjust the light here. So interior is great. Detailed on the dashboard and the sport seats, which is really good. Snaps right back on place. Special part here. Check this one out. Check out the headlights. Oh, that is a neat feature here for this Tomica Lamborghini. Pull that and the headlights close. Open. Pretty neat. Wow. This is a fantastic car. Love the rims too. Love the rims. Yeah, check that out. 5 spokes, deep dish. Now this is not rubber tires, because from my knowledge, there is no Tomica premium cars that have rubber tires. Only the Tomica Limited Vintage. Made in Vietnam, 2018. 1/62 scale model. Fantastic. I love this car here. Love this casting. Who doesn't? So that is all for our quick diecast daily video of the Lamborghini Diablo SV from Tomica, the yellow one. There is another version of this one, the orange. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. Bye bye, guys. See you soon. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day.